Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video for the day. So this is my last video for the day, okay? Just to indicate that Bitcoin, okay, will be making a bullish move, okay? Now, for this week, we can expect a bull run, okay? If we have seen here, right, in the previous video, I had told that Bitcoin has formed this cup and handle pattern, okay? Sorry for the a bit lousy drawing, okay? But yeah, it's forming a cup and handle. It has formed a cup and handle pattern, okay? And it's basically it's breaking over the resistance, okay? Formed. This is the resistance and this is support line, right? The below one is the support line. Let me just mark it for you with capital alphabets. Let me just do it. This is the support level, okay? And this is the resistance level, okay? You can see this is the resistance. Yeah, right there. Okay, it's easier, I guess, for you to see. I'm sorry for the capital letters, okay? I'm obsessed with capital letters. So if you can see here, if I zoom in, okay, this is the 4-hour time frame chart, okay, for Bitcoin / USD pair. Okay, we can see here Bitcoin is actually breaking out the resistance level, okay, which could indicate a bullish signal, okay? So it had been overbought over here, which we can see right over there, okay? Let me just mark it. So it was overbought over here, okay? And after doing that, okay, the market was being a bull, like it was being a literal bull, okay? It was giving a bull signal right there. Sorry, just give me a second. Right there, you can see this full, right? Wait, let me just remove all these unnecessary things. Yeah, we can see. Can you all see this? The volume of trade, okay, the trades were very liquid over here. We can see that there were a lot of buyers, okay? You can see over here it formed an uptrend right over there, okay, which indicated that there was a bull run, okay, between buyers and sellers, okay? There was more momentum of buyers building up, okay, to trade, to buy, okay, basically to buy this asset, okay? So we can see right over there, and it broke the resistance level, okay? Basically in the Bollinger Bands, right, we can expect the Bollinger Bands, okay, to be support and resistance level, okay? It's a pretty adequate source, okay, for being a support and resistance level. And my MA is basically 20 MA, okay? So if you can see, let me just write it over here, 20 MA, just to make sure. This is the 20-day moving average, okay? And excuse me for a second. So this is the 20-day moving average, okay? And we can expect Bitcoin to be showing a bull run basically. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. We just hope that Bitcoin crosses this line right over here. It's forming a pattern over here, okay? It's forming a contraction. A contraction basically means that Bitcoin could possibly forming a big bull run right over there, which indicates a bull run, okay? It has formed tight contractions over here, which indicates something big, okay? I will be explaining Bollinger Bands in another video, but that's what it means, okay? Here are some tight contractions. If you go below, okay, you can see these tight contractions here. This indicate high volume of trade, okay? Basically high volume of trade in a certain buy or sell. It could go up or down. So the market, after going right over here from this contraction, it formed a big downtrend over here, and then it got overbought. Basically it got oversold, it got oversold right over there, which we can see right over here. It was oversold, and then it started going up, okay? And it's still above the moving average line, okay? And it has to touch this resistance level, okay? Over here in the Bollinger Bands, it has to touch, okay? It's forming a tight contraction right over there. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'll be posting a video soon, so stay tuned and keep grinding.